nakakapagtaka rin bakit principal siya sa problema na yan, ayon kay Yusek Bernardo, bakit hindi na-freeze yung account niya? At ang aking balita rin sa mga aking mga reliable informants, nakakapag-withdraw siya na nakakapag-withdraw ng cash sa bangko.
Anything else, sir? Any other questions or suspicions you have?
So yun nga, meron ding lumapit sa akin na she was there to collect some debts from a contractor.
So you are actually saying, from what I'm understanding, is that it seems that she was forced, she was killed? Is that what you're saying?
No, hindi natin masasabi yun. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, kailangan imbestigahan.
Okay.
At may maraming tanong, kailangan ng Kongreso ay sagot.